Welcome to Cancon. I'm Pete from Toyworld in Canberra here. We're at the Quokka Hall today on the final day of such an amazing gaming event. We're also a retailer here today, providing a vast range of products for all levels of gamers, children and families themselves. As you can probably see across here, we've got a number of products to choose from: minifigures, collectibles, blockies, we've got goos, we've got even kids entertainment areas that are from Cancon. We also do sensory-based toys as well. So if you just follow me, I'll give you a bit of a tour. So over here, guys, we've got a number of products that the kids and gamers are attracted to, particularly the retro series from Zero, and the home series as well. These are little collectible bricks they build. They're relevant to a lot of people's lives and their histories, and there are many building kits as well. And then you go into some of the hobby ranges, including Australian-based military. We've got things like your One Piece Bandai kits, some Pokemons, and plenty of action figures there as well. As we walk through the stand, we head into our some of our most popular hobby brands we brought. This is a bit of a sample of what we do. At our Fishwick and Belconnen stores, we've got the Tamiya paint ranges, our glues, our primers, airbrushes, and some of the most popular things you'll see in the hobby industry. So I hope you guys can come down to Cancon, enjoy the show, and keep gaming. Thank you.